Hello everybody, this is Clappertle 10 here again. It has been a while, over a year I think, maybe probably closer to 2. But I'm really excited today because I got another review for you guys. This is going to be a review of the Nerf grenade, This is not an official Nerf grenade. Hasbro didn't make this, but it's about as close as the Nerf community has gotten so far to a legitimate Nerf grenade. This was sent to me by a company called nfstrike.com. They're a really cool company who has this online store where you can get all sorts of cool Nerf stuff for the Nerf hobby. They have worker kits, orange mod work kits, their own breed printed aesthetic kits. I would definitely recommend checking them out. I'll post a link to buy this in the description below, as well as a link to their just homepage, and I would again highly recommend checking them out. If you've been a subscriber to the channel for a long time, you know that I have a little bit of an obsession with Nerf grenades and Nerf grenade launchers. I started my channel back in 2009 making a sort of janky DIY Nerf grenade launcher, so some of my oldest videos revolve around that. And today to have been sent pretty much the closest thing to a official Nerf grenade that's out there is just super exciting. I really am just so stoked to be reviewing this for you guys. I think I've been rambling a little bit, so without further ado, let's get to the review. Alright, so this is the grenade. Basically it works like any other grenade. You pull the pin, you flip up the spoon, and then it's an impact grenade, so it goes off when you drop it. I don't know if it's going to go off because it's on the couch, but I'll try and get it for you. There we go. So, yeah, that's a good demonstration. So either after you've thrown the grenade or before you've thrown it, the way that you load it is that you pull down these little, I don't know, catapult things, and then you're sort of left with these two spaces where you can shove whatever you want to put in the grenade. I like to put in rival balls. I think that's the best ammo to put in these, but you can put in cut up darts, step-ins, anything you want. You can fit, I've been able to fit 9 to 12. I've heard of other people fitting like 20 plus. I haven't been able to do that because if I overload it, these little doors pop out. So yeah, you just load in your balls 3x3. And when you're done, you can close it all up. There's that down. And just for the sake of time, I'm just loading 9 because it's a lot faster than trying to cram in 12. But yeah, and then, yeah, see, sometimes even then sometimes even with that many it'll do it. But yeah, you just go like that, pull the spoon down, put in the pin, and you're ready to go. So now I can demonstrate the grenade. It's all loaded up like I showed you before. Using it's pretty simple. Pull out the pin, flip the spoon up, and then toss. So in case any of you guys were curious about how the mechanism works, basically there are these 3 doors that hold in these 3, I guess, catapults, and then this yellow, or this silver piece that holds these doors in. When this hits the ground, this silver piece comes up and it releases these 3 doors, which allows these 3 catapults to fling whatever is inside up and at your enemy, hopefully hitting them and getting them out of whatever game you're playing. Now, as far as power of this thing goes, this thing can throw the ammo, the rival rounds that I put in it, pretty damn far. I had this thing go off in my kitchen here, and one of the balls ended up getting stuck in the shades over there. It was funny walking over there and having to grab it out. So this thing is extremely powerful. If you were to get hit with one of the balls, you would definitely know if you were standing within probably 5-10 feet of it, and the range is further beyond that. I would estimate this thing could go probably up to 30 feet. So final thoughts on this grenade. I really don't have anything bad to say about it. I'm just going to go over some of the pros here. One, it is about the same size as a grenade. It feels like, you know, something that would be made by HASBRO. It doesn't feel cheap. It's made out of pretty heavy-duty plastic, so I wouldn't be afraid to throw this on concrete or anything. I haven't had any problems with it, and I've been playing with it for a few days now. Really great build quality. One sort of annoying thing, I wouldn't even put this under a con, is that this was originally made for like gel balls. So it has this little door down here where you can like fill up the little balls or BBs, and sometimes this thing will come out. But that's sort of minor, and it's never really happened at any important times, so that's not really a big deal. I'm really excited to see where things will go with like Nerf grenade technology in the future. HASBRO, I'm looking at you. I really hope you make something. I feel like this product opens the door to that sort of realm of opportunity. I'm just really happy I'm still making videos and was able to get my hands on one of these and review it. It's just been a blast playing with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll put a link of where to buy this in the description. And again, special shout out to NF Strike for sending me one of these. Really, really appreciate it, guys. Just love that you reached out and did that. If you guys want to get in contact with me, just shoot me a message or check out my channel for my email, and then you can get in touch if you want to, I don't know, have a collab or do anything, or send me something to review or anything like that. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you want to stay tuned for more content, and yeah, don't forget to keep on nerfing, guys. See you next time.